Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Chevy II Nova badged as an SS, black on black. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle, let you have a look at the trunk area. So nice large size trunk here on the older cars, as you can see. It's got the nice carpeted area here. We've got some documentation, different receipts and things like that here in the bag. The previous owner provided some magazines that he liked to read. So those are here in the trunk. I'll let you have a look at the trunk pan. The trunk pan's been replaced, so it's all nice and new, as you can see. The carpet's brand new. The backing to the seat, that's brand new. Have a look at the seams on this one here, nice and tidy. Right, as you can see, the seals look pretty good. Overall, they're in really good shape, as you can see. Here's the inside of the trunk lid. The car's recently been painted, so it has not even seen the sun, the light of day yet, so it's in really good shape. We'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk, let you have a look from the rear. So it's still got the original molding here along the back, so it's not perfect, as you can see, but overall it's in pretty good shape. It's got the Nova SS badge there on the back. We've got the nice tail lights, the chrome bumpers in really good shape. A few little minor marks on it, little scratch there. It's very thin and small, but it's there. Overall, really good shape for the year of the vehicle. So we'll carry on. We'll move over to the passenger side. I'll let you have a look at the rear wheel. This has the nice rally wheels on it. It's got brand new BF Goodrich radial TA tires. We've got drum brakes on the back. The springs have recently just been redone. It's got a nice new fuel tank in there. There's the diff, nice and clean. For an exhaust, it's got nice MagnaFlow mufflers paired with headers. We've got the nice Super Sport badging there on the back. Have a look at that paint, looks like glass. And we'll move up to the passenger side. So here's the door skin on the passenger side. It's got the nice vinyl. We've got the white insert there. You've got crank windows. There's your door handle there. And we've got the folding window in the front for you. So I'll just show you here inside. We've got the nice brand new Super Sport mats. It's got nice new carpet in it. The interior has been redone, so we've got the nice vinyl seats. And I'll go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And we'll flip the seat forward. So you can see on the back of the seat, there's a little bit of scratching, some little marks there. Nothing major, but you know, just want to point it out and share it with you. So there's the Super Sport mat in the back. Here's the back seat. Looks good. The shelf looks good. Here's the headliner. It's done in black. The dome light is working. And we'll go ahead, we'll flip the seat back up and we'll hop in. As we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. Check out the glove box here. So there's the glove box. You know, it's a little aged on the back of the door, but inside the liner is brand new. And here's your SS badge. And I'll just show you the upper portion of the dash here so you can see the condition. Looks good. And let's hop out and close this side up. And we'll just step to the back of the vehicle and I'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. What a beauty, looks great. So here it is at the front. We've got, again, the nice radial wheels with the BF Goodrich tires. We've got disc brakes on the front with red calipers in there. Not sure if you can see that, but they're in there. So we'll just move around to the front. We'll have a look under the hood. So this one has a V8 350 motor that's been rebuilt. It's got Edelbrock performance heads, Edelbrock intake. We've got headers. We've got a mild cam. We've got the upgraded aluminum rad with the power fan there. You've got the battery with the shut off. Looks great. Nice new brake booster. The car's had a full wiring harness put in it, so as you can see, all the wires and the harnesses are new. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. And here it is from the front. So it's got the nice badge there with the fleur de lis on it. We've got the polished aluminum trim piece along the front, the halogen headlights. Have a look at the bumpers. Bumpers are in good shape here on the front as well. Chevy II logo there on the hood. In terms of condition, there should be no marks on this as it's just been painted. So I shouldn't say no marks. I'm sure there's something somewhere, but overall it looks great. It hasn't been down the road yet, so no stone chips to be had. So we'll just move around this side here. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice rally wheels, BF Goodrich tires, disc brakes on the front, drums on the rear. There's your rear. And we'll move up to the driver's side. So at the driver's side, again, we've got the nice vinyl door panel. We've got our manual crank window and door release there. There's your nice handle. Here's the driver's seat. And we'll just flip this forward for a moment. So you just press this button here. And here's the back seat from this side. Looks good. Brand new seat belts in the rear. And we'll flip that back. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. All right, so this is a 4-speed transmission. I'll just zoom in on that. So there's the shifter. It's got a Hurst shifter on it. And there's our e-brake and our key here. So we'll go ahead, we'll start that. So there's no choke on it, so when it is a bit colder, you got to rev it a bit just to keep it going until it warms up. It's preferred, I guess, for that setup. You know, some people don't like the look of the choke or the equipment or the way that it has the car behave. So if you prefer a choke, you could have one put on, but there's not one on here. We've got an oil pressure gauge, we've got a water gauge, and a battery voltage gauge. There's your heat controls. There's the original radio. We've got a lighter here, the key, brand new SS steering wheel, right? There's your turn signal. There's a little bit of corrosion on there, nothing major. Here's your Sport Comp RPM gauge. This is a button for the electric fan as an override. There's your lights, and there's our wiper control down here. So nice looking car, and we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and listen. I'm just going to make sure it's in neutral before I get out. Here we go. So I'll rev it up a little bit for you so you can hear. Great sound to it. And I'll just show you here from the outside when it's running. Here it is from the front with the headlights on. What an awesome sounding machine. Just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. And I'll show you the roof. Looks good. What a machine. Listen to that chug. There you have it, folks. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy II Nova, badged as an SS with a rebuilt 350, recently painted. Looks fabulous. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.